Good morning! Today we are going to investigate slow motion video recordings on devices. So we have here a classic experiment done in physics where an object is slid down a ramp, perhaps to determine the coefficient of friction. Let's watch the video now. So there's the coin sliding down the ramp. Notice that the video is recorded using slow motion on your personal electronic device. Here is another video of a toy car slowing down, again recorded using slow motion. And so the question is, why would we record these videos in slow motion? The other question is, what is the factor that time is slowed down by? So what we have here is a video of a stopwatch recorded in slow motion. So take out your stopwatches. We're going to do a little experiment. Get ready. The moment I play the video at the 1 second mark, in other words, when you see 1 second appear on this stopwatch, you're going to start your own stopwatch. Get set. When that stopwatch time in the video hits 5 seconds, so when you see 5 seconds here, you're going to stop the stopwatch. Here we go. I'm going to play the video now. All right. At 1 second, remember, press the start button on your stopwatch. Get ready. Here we go. Now! And remember, at 5 seconds, when you see it hit 5 seconds on that stopwatch, press stop. 5 seconds is coming. We've hit the 3 second mark, but not yet. Tension's building. The suspense. We've hit the 4 second mark. Get ready on your stopwatch. Now! All right. So in this video, from 1 second to 5 seconds, a total of 4 seconds has elapsed. However, you probably recorded a time of around 32 seconds. Well, if we divide 32 by 4, we get a factor of 8. So whenever you record a video using slow motion on your personal electronic device, realize that the time has increased by a factor of 8. And so one of the advantages of recording videos using slow motion is that it's easier to record time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.